Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the studio. I have had a wonderful week. Last week was awesome. I had a wonderful student here with me from the Bay Area for a few days, and we had so much fun together. And she was very excited about playing with this little Piggy pigments. And so we mixed up a bunch of them, and she did a beautiful blowout on a transparent base coat. And it actually was really inspiring to me because I haven't played with the Piggies like this in paint form in a while. So we're gonna do that tonight, and we have a new toy to play with. My dear friend Kelly from Feral Art told me about this awesome little air duster turbo jet fan. It says, meet your daily cleaning needs. But it's cordless and rechargeable, and it's pretty strong. It's actually got 4 speeds, and it actually moves some air around, which is pretty impressive. So this one was pretty cool. I got it from Amazon. I will link it for you in the description box, and we're gonna give it a go today. It also comes with several different nozzles, which it's easy to interchange them, but this is the widest, flattest one. So that's what we're gonna play with in the blower. And if I don't like it, then I might switch to my leaf blower, because that's fine too. I have some awesome Piggies here. This one is this little Piggy in Lakeside, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous, very deep turquoisey blue that I love. This one is Billabong, which is a lighter turquoise, which is really beautiful. One of my favorite ever. This is mint chip. TLP mint chip is just gorgeous. Then we have some Twinkle, and HOA's favorite 24 karat gold. She's the only non-Piggy today. And we have some TLP Aquamarine, which I also really, really, really love. So I have here a tub of my transparent base coat, which is my pouring medium also, but I have thinned this out with water so that it is nice and thin now, and should barely be leaving any kind of mound at all, which is perfect. And we're gonna do our blowout. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to flood our canvas with the transparent base coat. And I'm gonna tilt it out also, I think. Maybe, we'll see.
Any excuse to finger paint or tilt?
I love to tilt, I really do. It's a beautiful thing. I'm just gonna get this over the edges without losing too much, because we don't want a very, very thick layer on there. Oops. Take care of that edge real fast. Won't see.
Perfectly.
I like how you think that's an accident.
I didn't say it was an accident. That worked out perfectly, maestro.
Thank you very much. Okay, take it back this way a little bit. We just want a nice even coat, and see how it's not really moving at all anymore, which is perfect. I'm just gonna cover up the sides. Okay, so we're gonna torch that real quick. Get some air bubbles gone. This weird feeling I should close the door. All right. Okay, So let's start. We're gonna put down some paint, and I think we're gonna start with Aquamarine. So this is not gonna show up right away other than as a whitish color, but it's a really beautiful, very sparkly, turquoisey, shifting, iridescent color. So, okay, so we're gonna lay down our colors. For our composition, we're gonna do this a branching pattern, which I think is really, really pretty. So we're gonna start over here off the edge of the canvas because we don't wanna make a puddle. Ready, darling? We're gonna go this way. And then we're gonna go this way. And then we might go this way. Do you think we need one going that way? Or no?
Maybe.
Okay. All right, now we're gonna come in with our darker colors. This one is Lakeside, and we're just gonna follow these lines. Whoops. Slippery little sucker.
Just put that over there anyway, it's fine.
We're gonna put a little bit of 24 karat gold on here. Just a little bit, a very, very thin line. Because I don't want a lot on there. And as we all know, she likes to take over. How rare. Okay. Let me see. I think we're gonna go with Billabong next. Ready, honey? Okay, and now we're going to do a little bit of Twinkle. And save the best for last, mint chip. I love this color, it's so pretty. Okay. Alrighty, now we get to blue. Put your lids back on right when you're done, because otherwise they get lost and you can't find them, and then you get annoyed. So.
Ask her how she knows.
I just found one the other day underneath there. Really funny. Okay, so we're gonna use our handy dandy little blower. I think we're gonna start. Let's start this way. We're gonna go this way first and practice on that one. We're gonna start over here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
I am.
Okay, so I'm not gonna turn it on aimed at the canvas. I'm gonna turn it away from the canvas and turn it on. And then we're gonna go down. Here we go. Whew, she's strong. We're gonna go the lowest setting. We went too strong right here in the beginning. I'm actually going to put a little bit more color down right in there because it seems like we lost a lot of it with that initial blow that was really hard. Okay, let's try that again. Nice and low. Ready, darling?
Mm-hmm.
Flashlight. Okay, we're gonna go up this way now. Ready, honey? gonna do this one now, ready? This is going to be beautiful when it's dry. Okay, and we're going to do this last little bit here. Ready, honey? That's a nice little fan. Okay. Let's just wipe it off real quick. So that was fun. What do you think, HOA? Do you think it needs a little bit of color in through here? Just maybe a little bit of the blues? I agree. I think this is all Piggy back there, the Twinkle or the Aquamarine, so I don't want to put more on there. Let's see. Let's go this way. Ready, honey? Okay.
Bet you missed that progressive trigger.
Yeah, I do like my leaf blower better, to be honest with you. But this is very pretty. I hadn't intended for it to be vertical. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see it, how it ended up. Kind of getting plant-like. So, but that's okay. That's really pretty. I think this is going to be beautiful. So what is white here, the transparent base coat, is going to dry clear. And we're going to see this little Piggy in Lakeside, and Mint Chip, and Billabong, and Aquamarine, and Twinkle, and some 24 karat gold in there. I like that there's very little gold. It's just enough, so it's going to add a lot more shimmer and sparkle. But the Piggies are already beautiful and shimmery and sparkly, so this was fun. Thank you to Kelly for my new toy. The blower is a lot of fun. I love having new tools in my toolbox that I can use. They don't necessarily have to be your favorite, but you know, it never hurts to have a backup plan and something else that you can use. So this was awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. We really appreciate you guys, and we love you a lot. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with our dried results. And this one was that beautiful British Racing green background color. And we used Billabong and Lakeside and Mint Chip and Twinkle and Aquamarine. And we got all sorts of beautiful colors. And we used that new Airjet turbojet blower, which I will link in the description box for you guys. That thing is strong. But I think this came out very, very pretty. And I love the Piggies. Of course, they're super blingy. HOA, can you tilt it a little bit for us? You can see all that shimmer and bling popping. So pretty. So that was Lakeside and Billabong and Twinkle and Mint Chip. Really cool. This was awesome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this one. Oh, let me go get the other one and we'll show you that one. Hang on. Okay, so here was our sandwich pour, our leftover sandwich. Really, really pretty. I love all that transparency down here. And then, of course, we have those very trippy cells. Cute stuff. There we go. Those are the crazy ones. So that was leftover sandwich. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. This is sunbathing. Hi, sweetheart.